Okay guys, this is the final episode of this beautiful BMW 8 Series. Welcome to Crash Deals, and let's talk about the car.
One of the last parts we have for the BMW, it's nice wheels. We done a questionnaire and most of you voted for these wheels to be fitted on a car. I know a few of the people said I keep the original wheels, but most of the people voted for these wheels, and I think they will look amazing. Now we're gonna go to the tire place to get the original tire pressure monitoring sensors out of our wheels, and we're gonna strip these wheels. We're gonna put original tire monitoring pressure sensor into these wheels and put the wheels back on our car. Look at that. Okay. That will look sick, isn't it? Need 4 tires swapping over. As previously I explained, the window is not going down because of the lifter. The lifter is broken on this car to lift up the window, and this is the really common thing on the BMW, especially on the 8 Series and a 6 Series cars. There's even a company who repair these lifters. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it off the lifter. We're gonna bring it down to them and get this repaired. So we need to change the actual cable on the lifter. I'll through the BMW asking for this part about £400, and the repair will cost us about 450 or 160, something like that. So that's potential savings on the car as well, and the car repair. So this is the part we had it repaired. The guys changed the cable. I think one of these cables was snapped. I can't remember which one is it exactly. But our beautiful Mark will get this parts fitted back on the car, and the window will start rolling up, and I hope so the convertible roof will start operating as well. So guys, this BMW is on the final stage of the repair, and few things which we have to do. It's pedestrian protection faults. That's the pedestrian protection fault. The car does require to service these things. We're going to bring the car to airbag service in Bolton today. They will get it sorted for us. They're usually pretty good with these kind of things, because this pedestrian protection faults related to the airbags, and they work together with the airbag system. As I mentioned to you before, these parts are behind the bonnet, and I think we got a service due as well, so we got to do the service, the brake fluids, I think, and the car is ready to go to enjoy the summer. Overall the whole repair were pretty fine. The paint work on the car is really nice. The only few things we need to do, like touch-ups on the doors. I think the doors were damaged, so the body shop needs that, so we'll get this done. Everything is clean. What do you think? Shall we take these badges off? Because most of the people are taking them off. That looks more aggressive than when the badges is off. The wheels are totally nice, you know, so they're outstanding. There's a big difference between the old wheels and the new ones. All the linings are perfect on a car. All the parts are used genuine. So the brand new bonnet from the BMW, it's the same bumper. All the rest of the plastics, like splash guards and etc., they used the bolt from the BMW. So yeah, the car is ready to go. We need to replace some pedestrian protections under the bonnet. These blowers.
These two.
Can you do them for me?
Yes, of course we can do that. But also you need to know that you need to change these ones because this also deploying. So you.
Why we need to change them? They looks okay. They're working fine, no?
No, really. You need to change this also because they also deploying after the next end.
Even if they work.
Yes, of course. We can just connect the machine and we can show you that it will show fault with this pedestrian protection system also.
Right. How much it will cost to replace all of them then if we need to change all of 4?
Each part will be 100 each together with labor. So we can do 400 for these 4 parts, supply and fit.
£400 for all these 4 parts. I've not been expecting that. I thought it's going to be about £70-80 for both blowers. That's a little bit out of our pocket, but we have to do it anyway. So, okay. How long it will take to get this done?
Really, you can take the car maybe in 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yes.
Is 2 hours okay? Good. Yeah. Okay, I will leave it for you, and yeah, just get this done and let me know what's the process, and if you can do the report for the car as well for the fault codes.
Yes, of course, we can do that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So see you then in 2 hours.
So the person from the airbag service company said we need to change the locks as well, apparently, and as you can see, I can see there is a blowers as well. It's exactly the same blowers as the bonnet hinges have, so most likely we got to replace them as well, unfortunately, which is cost effective for us as well. Yeah, so either way we have to do that. So the car is back on the road as it have to be, and it's ready to go to our next person who will be enjoying this car over the summer. So I just come to pick up this BMW out of the airbag service and see what they actually done for this car, and I think the airbag light is already off, so I think they done everything whatsoever needed to be done. So can you explain a little bit more? So what you done on the car?
Yeah, we changed 4 bonnet actuators, front ones and rear ones, and also we cleared all faults in this car.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, because the car had lots of faults, and now I see there's no faults left on the dashboard. So amazing job, guys.
So the car is now fully finished. There's no problems with the car whatsoever. We did have a couple of problems with it. Like, for example, the rear bumper wasn't sprayed correctly, but that all got sorted out now by the body shop, thanks to them. Then the window roller was broken as well. And because of that, the roof wasn't opening and closing. We got all that fixed out as well. Everything is working superbly. Everything is working perfectly. There's no faults in the car. I took the car for a test drive for a couple of days to see what it's like, what it's driving like, if there's any faults coming on, if there's any problems whatsoever. And this is today. Today is the second day of me driving it. I can't see any problems at all. The car drives perfect, has got the power. It's just really comfortable, especially in this weather. Currently outside it's 22 degrees, and everything is, the car for this weather is perfect. Let's talk about the figures. This car costed us all in £25,000 before the repairs. After the repairs, we spent about, I think, £1,500 in the body shop, and then it was like 100 or 200 to fix the window. That all got fully repaired, and it's currently standing us at £27,000. Guys, would you be able to find a car like this anywhere else for £27,000? I don't think so, especially with the comfort, with the model, with the class, class that brings you, the class that this car brings you. I don't think there's any other car for this amount of money that you could buy. This car has initially been categorized as a Cat N, as you guys bringing back the footage of before the repairs. This car had a damage on the front, on the back, So the insurance decided to categorize it as a Cat N. So initially, insurance company has categorized this car as a Cat N. Did the category affect the insurance? Not at all. A lot of people online, they say, oh, categorized cars, you know, they affect the insurance costs more. Not at all. I've driven a lot of categorized cars, and not a single difference between the insurances. Currently this car is costing me about £65 a month. I'm 27, and I think that's quite a decent price. Okay guys, so now it's time to have a look on outside of the car. So as you guys can see, the bumper has been perfectly repaired. You can't really see anything. There's gaps and everything between the bonnets. Everything is perfect between the headlights. Everything looking amazing. The color match is also 10/10. Let's walk to the back of the car. As you guys can see, where there was a problem with the spraying, they've all fixed it, and the alloy wheels look beautiful in this car, I think. Of course, this is circle, this is dirty from the from the camera. Car is looking absolutely beautiful. Okay, and let's talk about inside of the car. So it has got a leather cream interior, has got a digital cockpit. This car has a Harman Kardon sound system, heads-up display, which is really helpful on the long trips. A beautiful gloss black trims, central console, mixed with the aluminium trims. Of course, it is a M Sport, and it's a carbon core. Car is looking beautiful. Everything works as it should do, but the main thing is the saving. Let's talk about saving more. This car costed us 27k all in, and the cheapest one you can find online, the same spec, the same mileage sort of thing. I think it was around like 37, something like that. So you save yourself just over £10,000. So you save yourself £10,000 according to the cheapest BMW that's found online. Let's compare this car to a BMW M8 competition. I would personally, depending on your budget, I'd personally probably go for this one, 840i. It has got the power, it has got the locks as well. You can always upgrade, you know, the external locks. You can put like a performance kit on it. You can put like, you know, a lip, black grills, and of course it's gonna look a bit more beautiful. The reason I would prefer the 840i is only because of the cost. The fuel wise, this is more economical. Comfort wise, it's exactly the same. Insurance wise, it's much cheaper. And yeah, the car is of course, you know, 2 or almost 3 times cheaper than the M8 competition. Just look at the color, guys. The color looks absolutely amazing. The combination with the headlights as well looks beautiful. I don't think I would add anything else to this car. Like, you know, I think the color with the chrome goes in really well with the black alloy wheels as well. Another thing I forgot to tell you about the interior is it has got some really nice ambient lighting. So of course it's a daytime now, but at the night time the ambient lighting is just, it's another level. It looks really beautiful. It looks really nice. It's not like the Mercedes, I think it's a bit too much. Like when you drive it, it feels like there's too much light going on, you know, in the car, and you just feel like, I don't know, you're like in a photo studio or something. So it doesn't feel as comfortable, at least. Where with this BMW, there's some light here on this door card, inside there as well, buckets, and yeah, it's just, you know, it's balanced really well. This car has got a heated seat as well. Usually comes in a standard, and automatic gearbox. This car has just over 300 bhp, and it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds, so it's still quite a powerful car.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys, I really hope you enjoyed the BMW 840i last part of these videos. I hope we will connect in for the future videos, and for whoever is already subscribed with us, really big thank you for the support. And if you're not subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button, follow us, and I can give you the guarantee there is really lots of new videos are still coming up now.